on R-6 for 3 kilometers.
Okay lang daw. Kamusta ka, engineer? Hello!
Nag-shower lang ako yesterday.
Okay, pakala.
What kind of sandwich is this?
Ano to katagal na kaganito?
The twist? Well, probably like 2 weeks. 2 months. I don't know, I'm always active, so that's why it's always like that.
Ikaw na gumawa niya?
No. Yeah, for sure. Pwede ko lang ako. This one.
Sige
This
ba?
one. This one's super neat. Yeah.
Ito.
Tapos sometimes when they twist my hair, they do it too tight, you know?
Mas okay ba sa'yo yan?
It's okay, pero like sometimes like I'll get like red bumps, you know, because it's too tight. Tapos they're more used to African like tapos Jamaican hair too, you know. So not a lot of people know how to do the straight hair. Did I come back home sick?
Kuha ko magpa-clearance muna bago nila i-release. Kami kung tama pa-clearance. Ano na ko? Sa head ko, sa H.
Oh, that man, you don't have that right now on you.
Tapos na kami. Inabot kami ng 8 hours and 21 minutes. It's 50 pesos.
No, not a year, cut it. I wish. Just one more month, maybe to like June, July, end of July.